Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, today was a very nice day, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous videos I've done on this one. But if you have, then hopefully you remember me talking about this stubborn resistance trend line here. But today the price finally got the break of it. Actually tried this morning, failed. But to give credit where credit's due, the price came back strong and then pushed back up above it. So now the big question going forward is this a start of something bigger? Is a breakout underway? And I'm going to get rid of that line. It served its purpose for now. But this is also where, because I have no idea. Nobody has any idea. Is this actually the start of a bigger breakout? Well, let's see if the price can actually now stay up above 13.5 cents. And why is this important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but if the price were to come down to 13.5, behave in that manner, and then break to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back at its lows where it just was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that break trend lines and then go right back to where they were, not exactly the sign of a true breakout or any sort of genuine strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, nothing can go straight up. So if the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you at least have some stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at 13.5 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, first key level to watch now, if this upwards movement is going to continue, going to be right up there at 14.5 cents. So 14.5 cents, public enemy number one moving forward. And then if the price can break up through there, you'll want to keep an eye on that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the 200-period moving average. But all in all, the trend line has been broken. So now let's see if this is the start of something much bigger or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.